Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, our golfers today. Representing South Korea, Heung-min Son. For Brazil, Lucas Moura. France, Hugo Lloris. And Delhi, representing England today. And of course, they will all be competing for the honour of being presented with the prestigious blue jacket. The course today, for those unfamiliar, the stadium concourses famously flow into each other here, meaning there is only one hole, played clockwise to throw off the right-footed players. Our golfers tee off at the entrance to the south stand. They must do their best to avoid the various obstacles along the way. Teeing off now from the old White Hart Lane centre spot, the first time a ball's been kicked from this spot since the old stadium closed.
Ah, it's perfect ball.
A clean strike to beat the first tree. The rebound is okay, maybe a little dangerous.
Wait, where is he go?
Into the rough.
No! How can I use this ball? Huh? Can I go under the stairs?
I don't know if to go through round this way.
Try in the middle. Try in the middle.
Try the middle?
Yeah.
Middle is, I think, good idea.
Yeah, you want me to try so then?
After I try.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Promise you try.
This way.
So Delhi now lining up to curl his shot right.
It's a hole in one, isn't it?
And he's deep in the rough there.
It's not the best start, is it? Oh no.
Tough luck, tough luck.
Lucas Moura steps up now.
Oh! So lucky.
It's a very poor standard so far.
The ball can't stop.
No!
Okay.
Lucas touched his ball when it was rolling.
Well, I don't
VAR.
believe this. Lucas has touched the ball before it came to a natural stop, and officials are reviewing it now. Yes, that's an extra touch.
Stop watching me, I'm trying to cheat.
Ha la la la
Sonny,
la.
that
It's
is
too
a
easy.
beautiful strike. That will beat both steel trees.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
That's a good one.
Look at this, unbelievable.
Lucas, it's you.
No, it's you.
No, you're furthest.
Hey, where's your ball? Huh? Ah, okay.
I don't really know what to do.
Delhi is deep in the rough here, weighing up his options.
I'm going to try and flick it so it bounces off there and then rolls that way, really. I ain't really got no other option.
That's okay,
That's
that's
gone well.
okay, good one.
Whose turn? Again?
Delhi turn again.
It's Delhi.
This is a good shot. Could be great if it just... Oh, that's unfortunate.
How's it touched that?
So you had a series shot.
Lucas is on +1 as well. We got Hugo coming from over
That's a
here.
good throw.
Stop.
A delicate touch needed around the corner. The stairs to your right are the only accepted stairs, of course. All others are out of bounds.
So if I hit it hard enough off that blue thing, it could bounce.
Delhi seemingly opting to risk going for power. Lucas opting to do the can-can.
That's a good one, Delhi.
Oh,
That won't be the bounce he wanted. He's now stuck behind a very awkward structure, and he's narrowly avoided going down those stairs and out of bounds, though. A small silver lining. Hugo with a flick.
It's enough.
Oh, Hugo, that's unbelievable.
It's enough. Look.
Oh, look at this quality. This is unbelievable. Look at this. How the ball roll. Oh, let's go, good boy.
Amazing curl on this one.
Oh, he's going down to the scale.
He could have the shot of the tournament if this goes down the stairs. Not quite for Heung-min Son, despite his best efforts.
Nice.
Good idea.
Great use of his surroundings there. A very good shot by Lucas to bring him back into the game.
It's good, it's good. Lucas, can you touch my ball and we go together?
So the end part of this section now, the golfers need to play their way down the stairs clockwise past the programme walls and then through the door at the end. Sonny leading here, rolls the ball down the stairs. Oh no, catastrophe here.
Oh.
That has gone the complete wrong way.
It's the wrong way, Sonny.
Sonny, good shot.
I did 3 shots and then I come back where we started.
Well, suddenly the lead is wide open here. Lucas plays it safe. Can't argue with that given his position. This is awkward for Hugo.
It's the wrong way.
Hugo.
Oh, he's overshot that.
Go inside, go.
Yeah. No. No.
Devastated.
Oh, no.
We're not going home today, I'm telling you.
I'm in a bit of a pickle, ain't I, really?
Yeah, come slowly.
Yeah, you want me to lose, right?
No, like this.
Lucas, who has shown great sportsmanship.
Oh, Deli, this good one.
Thank you, Sonny.
Son could have been tempted to go with his 3-wood for power there, but he's gone with a 4-iron and a bit of curl. That is a superb looking effort, and that's why he's a pro.
Come on, keep rolling, good boy. Stop. Look how amazing. Oh, that's a door. Oh, Deli, this is amazing.
Ah.
Amazingly badly.
I mean, it looked like it was a really good shot at the start, but then you come around here and there's toilets, doors, everything.
Don't touch!
What's Lucas doing?
I'm coming! Hi. Open the... Come back. No. That's so lucky.
No, I have to go for a risk, huh?
Yeah, Sonny, you got to go through the door. Watch out, Lucas.
Wow. What a player, Sonny. Stop. No. Where are you going? No.
Deli, you have to go risk.
Well done, Dele.
I mean, that's pretty, special, that shot.
Look how I can kick the ball.
Don't touch.
Block his away.
Can I pick my ball up? Oh,
Hey.
my ball was there. It's just...
You touch the ball as well, huh? Look at that. Sonny, he's going to kiss you.
On to the second part of the course now, and this is the longest stretch of fairway. Golfers will likely want to go long, but will need to remain very conscious of pillars and balls getting stuck in doorways.
No, my bro.
You get so lucky at
What
this.
do you mean? I was doing so well. I went through the door.
If that was me, I would have went inside there and gone into the back room or something.
No.
I'm trying to go the whole way,
Yeah.
but I've been hit with some surprises, so I'm just going to go along here. Oh,
Oh my god, bro, what you doing?
no. Bend.
Oh, Deli!
Bend.
Deli?
Bend. I mean, you can't ask for much more than that, really.
Punch. That's a good one. Come on, roll. Not too bad, huh? It's not too bad.
All I'm going to say is there is a big surprise around that corner.
Great day of foot golf so far, and we rejoin the players on the third part of the course. Lucas goes for it. Nice soft touch off the wall needed here, and he gets it.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. I love you.
I'm gonna same way like you.
Oh, it's gone in the door.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh.
Hugo is caught in a bunker. That is an absolute disaster. Sonny seems to be considering using the artwork to bounce off.
See how lucky that is? You was not aiming for that little dot.
I won it!
Well, beats the first wall with the bounce, beats the bar, and that's going to settle in front of the second wall.
Look at mine. I play.
Hugo just has to play it safe here. Back onto the fairway.
We're going through the doors at the end, by the way.
The door.
That's where we're going.
We have to try.
Like this. Aye, aye, aye. He goes, he goes, he goes. He goes. Aye. No. Oh, lucky. Football is not fair.
Sonny, hit it off this. And he goes back down there.
Son's choosing to ignore his competitor's advice.
It's unbelievable ball again.
So lucky.
Oh, Delhi, this is so lucky.
Should I go for it?
I go 100% full.
Oh no, Lucas! It's going through anyway.
Dirty tactics from Lucas there, distracting Delhi just before the strike, and things like that really give foot golf a bad name.
He's so lucky in every shot. Not this one though. Not this one.
Ah, unlucky, Sonny.
Hi. No, I was here. No, I was here.
Yeah, Sonny, move it back.
I was here.
Leave it.
It's not bowls, it's golf.
No, you wasn't there.
I was here. I remember.
You didn't have that much of a swing, you cheat.
No, I'm not cheating. That's the same. Oh, imagine that.
No risk, no reward.
It's okay, you go on. Oh, look at this rolling. Unbelievable again.
See, look, how has it missed
Look
that?
at this. This is the planning. You see the golfer take the glass. Look at the wind.
Sonny with a very delicate touch that pays off.
A little bit more. Yeah, go, go.
We're close now. The players will likely look to curl the ball into the marketplace here. Delhi will go for the curveball. Sonny play.
I think Delhi is gonna win. Hugo is taking control.
This is it now. He's into the wall.
Yes.
Delhi, and these might be the most important and decisive shots of the game.
I tell you this.
Very silly shot from me. Very silly.
And that is how you do it. A superb shot from the South Korean.
You see, I read the games.
Still going here.
Oh, look at this shot, amazing! In front of goal! Oh, buzzing.
Metal bar just crept into the way.
Oh, it's a block.
Lucas has used his surroundings extremely well today, and he's tried to do that again here.
Aye, 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 aye. Woo!
Looks good
Woo!
for Lucas Moura.
No, keep rolling, keep rolling. Good boy, good boy.
Oh, you're going that way? He's going out of bounds.
Hugo opting for a shortcut to the goal. This is risky.
But this tough angle again. Oh, Hugo, that's too hard.
Well, he had to take the risk, and you've got to applaud him for going for it. He's played a good round today, and the score may have been unfair.
I think I have a less shot, but you see. It's a bit tough angle. I don't go risk.
Sonny, score, Sonny, finish.
Oh, it looks good. It's very good. And that's it. Hyun-Min Son, foot golf champion, and he...
It was a very close second place. I just must add that.